Yo, we back, man. Might be looking crazy in this camera sometimes. Back up in here with another one of them things, dog. And today we are back. That's a fly. We are back active, and back active on this MayRose 2.0, man. So we headed to the transmission, man. Finna go drop this thing off, man. See what's going on. And yeah. See if we need to upgrade this thing. See if everything cool or what. See if we need to go up another stage, man, cause this MayRose 2.0. Yeah, all I'm gonna say, man, is stay tuned. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna tell y'all, man, stay tuned. Hey, if y'all know somebody, man, that ain't subscribed to the channel, that ain't following me, don't know who Beelo is, don't know who MayRose is, man, grab hold to him, man, and sit them down and have a conversation with them. Like, hey, look, y'all need to tune in to this right here, because this right here finna get real. And when I say it's finna get real, I absolutely mean that in the most disrespectful way possible. It's about to get real, dog. Like, for real. And I ain't even just saying that. I ain't even just saying it, man, just on some, you know what I'm saying? Nah, it's I told y'all, man, I was waiting until the baby got here and all that good stuff right there, and we was finna get back to it. I told y'all that, did I not? Alright. So now, the baby here, it's about to get real disrespectful. So whatever memories y'all got of old MayRose, that's fine. That's fine. Just understand that MayRose will be no more. We ain't playing none of them games no more. So, that being said, man, we go ahead and get down here to the transmission, man. And listen to me a few tunes on the way. And I'll hit y'all in a minute. Yeah. Man, just dropped that old transmission off, man. Rocco said, you got all the big stuff in here. I was like, yeah. He was like, and I painted it black. I was like, well, you said it wasn't, you didn't have any more red paint. He was like, oh, okay. He was like, well, we're gonna change this. We're gonna paint it back red. And he said, he did say that I have the big dog transmission, and there's really not nothing I can do to make it bigger. There's really nothing I can do to upgrade that transmission. It's already top of the line. So he said, yeah. That's that. So he said he's gonna look in there and see what the problem is and get back to me. So yeah. We headed back to the city, man. Just dropped that off, man. MayRose 2.0, man. On the way, man. On the way, I told y'all. I just, hey, I've been on the phone all day, man. I'm hot too. I've been on the phone all day. Talking to Rocco. Talking to my dog. Talking to my dog, Jazz. You know know what I'm saying, about some interior pieces that we about to explore. Man, hey man. All I'm gonna say is MayRose 2.0, man, gonna be real upsetting. It's gonna be real upsetting for some people, man. God dog, we got black in here. It's gonna be real upsetting for some people, man, because some people ain't gonna know how to take this. They ain't gonna like it. And that's okay. I'm cool with that. But yeah. So okay, there we go. Yeah. So yeah, man. We headed back to the town. We gotta go pick up the duty, man. What time is it? I got time. Gotta go pick up the duty, man. And then head on to the house, man. Shit, it's hot, boy. We was standing out there talking. He was like, "Oh, it's so hot." He was like, "So did you enjoy the transmission?" I was like, "Man, you don't even understand." You don't even understand. Like, man, I had fun in this car. Man, I had fun in this car. Like, I beat this transmission to shit, dude. Like, I make sure I do. He was like, "That's what I be trying to tell people. Like, man, beat it and try to break it. So I can, you know what I'm saying, study it and see, you know, how you was driving it and what you did for it to break and what broke, so I can, you know what I'm saying, study it and make it stronger, so, you know." And I was like, "Yeah, you ain't got to worry about me." That's what you ain't got to worry about is me. I'm gonna break something. You know what I'm saying? If it hold up to my foot, it's quality. It's quality. But yeah, man, like I said, I'm headed on back to the town, man. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in a minute. Yo, y'all can't see nothing. Yo, good morning, man. What y'all doing? I ain't doing no shit. You know what I'm saying? Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. It's your dog, man. We up in this joint on a truck vlog. I mean, did y'all miss the truck vlogs, man? Or it's like, you know, like either or. I can have them or I can't. Gotta get back more versatile, man, with the with the footage giveaway. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we chilling. We at work. We ain't doing too much. Hungry, but we ain't doing too much, man. I spoke to y'all a while ago about possibly having the fire chicken as a bill, right? So I'm thinking about taking it a little further. Now we not only thinking about making the bill, now we in the process of making it a bill, right? So I did my due diligence. And look what I got in the mail. Firebird Trans Am 6702. Restoration and performance parts and accessories. Largest selection. Parts in the industry. Lowest price guarantee. Now I ain't gonna say it's probably the lowest price guarantee, because old Classic Industries, boy, they this them boys there, man. Classic Industries, they gonna show you something. But I will go in here and let's see. I don't know what that is. What's that? Hold on right quick. Let me open this thing up. What's this? Oh, this just the customer number. Nah, this the. I'll show y'all a few pages out this book, man. A few pages. They got my. I ain't got no customer number on here now. On this book. It's on there though, so I'll write it in. I ain't even got my name on here. On this book. I got it on all my other ones though. My Caprice one. But yeah, man. Hold on, let me show y'all what's in here. Hold on. Got this. Third brake, look at that. Third brake light. Boy, that is terrible. The honeycombs. And I got T56s in here. I ain't seen that. What's that? It's a trim. I don't know what, yeah. They got it going on here. But this is, you know, stuff they got going on, man, specifically for you know, that year model car, man. I seen them wheels, them honeycombs. Look at that. 16x8. It's the old Trans Am wheels. It's the old Trans Am wheels right there. Them old honeycombs there. Look at that. These the old joints. The R15s. So they got all the center caps. Man, I got everything in this book, man. Rear disc brake set. They got, you know what I'm saying, the conversion kits for your brakes. Axles. Man, I got everything. Everything for that car. Suspension. Everything. They got I'm talking about every part that goes on that car, man. They pretty much got it. Headlight bezels. And I wonder if they got the headlights that you can put the LEDs in. I'm gonna look in there and see. I'm gonna find out. But yeah, tail lights. LED tail lights. Like, they got everything in this book, man. So I'm about to go through the book and check out some things, man. Cause yeah, see if we can upgrade old fire chicken, man. I'm gonna have to do a poll, man, cause I really want to see about changing her name, man. Might change her name. But yeah, man, I'm finna get to that. So yeah, man, I picked the camera back up, man, and something interesting happens, man. Y'all know I'm gonna bring y'all with me. So yeah, catch y'all in a second, man.